Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys how to make a easy, very simple no-bake cheesecake with this Jello no-bake box. So right here what I'm doing is I'm just reading the instructions. It's really simple. All you're going to need is 5 tablespoons of melted butter. You're going to need a little pan, sugar, and milk. That's all. And the instructions say only 3 simple steps. So I'm going to go ahead with the first step, and that is making the crust. And what you're going to need for the crust is the crust pack that's labeled number 1, your 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and then your sugar. And you're going to go ahead and mix that very well until all the butter is absorbed. Really easy, right? Alright, now you're going to take it and put it into the pan. And you're going to start in the middle of the pan and kind of use a spoon or like any type of spatula and just push it to the edge so that your crust goes all the way around. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do it how you like it. Y'all hear Hendrix in the background. Alright, so that's your pie crust. Now on to step number 2. And step number 2 is just making your cheesecake. And to make your cheesecake portion, you're actually just going to mix your step 2 packet and some milk. And now I'm just using a handheld blender, and the instructions, I think it said to do this for 3 minutes on medium, so that's what I'm doing. And you want it to be kind of thick, so you're just going to beat it until it's thick. The consistency is really thick. So now I'm just taking it and pouring it into the pan with the pie crust. The spoon wasn't cutting it, so I actually used like a little spatula to get it all out. I didn't want to waste any cheesecake. Alright, now that it's all out of the bowl, I'm just kind of gonna even it out in the pan. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because remember, this is a strawberry cheesecake, so the strawberry is gonna cover the imperfections anyway. Alright, and now it's gonna sit in the refrigerator for an hour or more, but the box does say for an hour. Now step 3 is just adding your strawberry topping. And that's it, you guys. So simple. Anyone can do it, even if you're not familiar with baking. I got this at Dollar General for under $5. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.